Hi there, this is Paul from the ChatterPal team. By now, you've seen the true power of ChatterPal and you've also seen its amazing, groundbreaking features. What I'm going to do now is I'll show you how you can quickly get set up with ChatterPal within 60 seconds and then start getting results. You see, 90% of businesses don't have a chat agent on their website. So selling just one ChatterPal can more than pay for your entire membership. And I'll even show you where you can get hundreds of big ticket clients right in this video. I have my trusty countdown timer here. So let me begin and let's create a brand new ChatterPal campaign with a fully built 3D avatar and with logo mapping for an e-commerce website so that e-commerce website can offer coupons and discounts to get more conversions. And this again, it's gonna take us just 60 seconds. Let's start this right now. First thing that you need to do is choose one of the avatars. I'm gonna scroll down and go to the next page and I'm gonna choose Cami. And once I choose her, I just have to go up, click next. Now, let me show you something here. Let me pause the clock for a second and show you something cool here. You have some built-in scripts that you can immediately use, and in this case it's an e-commerce website. I'm just gonna change over and I can put any name I want. I can choose the voice. I'm gonna put Sally as the voice, and then you can edit any of this text. You can copy paste it from anywhere you choose as well. Okay, now that we've chosen everything, you also have the option to record audio from your own computer right away within the app, or upload a professional voiceover or something like that here, and it's all gonna get lip synced by the character automatically. Now, since I'm using text to speech that is built in, all I have to do is click import speech and then play the audio.
Hello, my name is Cami.
So we've tested it out. It's pretty good. So all we have to do is go next and then let's play it. And then so we've had about 55 seconds left so far. So here we can do some customizations. As you can see in my countdown timer right here, about 51 seconds left right now. So if I go here, we have avatar's name. We can update that. We can also update the color scheme. So I can change it over to this based on what theme you want to go for. Now here's where we do the revolutionary logo mapping. All you have to do is just click this choose button to your right, and then any logo that you put will automatically be resized and put over into these objects like bags or in that avatar itself. And you have a variety of options like a notepad, bags, the avatar's t-shirt, hat, and that sort of thing. And that's beautiful because the customizations are available here. And I'm just gonna leave it here. I just chose the actual logo already. We have another cool feature, which is the mirror avatar. So if I click this, automatically it's going to change the avatar over to the other direction, meaning that bag which was on the left hand is now on the right hand. As you can see, it's super intuitive. You just check a few boxes and it's ready to go. And the next step is we just go to number 4 of 6, which is the chat dialog section. Here's where it gets exciting. You can add any element here, any kind of customization. Like we have ready-made chat templates in a variety of different purposes. For example, appointment booking, you want to generate more leads, more sales, or just improve customer satisfaction and customer support. You can do that same thing. Here in this case, I'm going to choose the offer coupon code ready-made template, right? Because it's an e-commerce website, we want to generate more sales. So if you see here, this whole chat flow can be modified. You can just bring it up, bring it down, bring it to the side. And let's say I want to change this where it says, hi, my name is Avatar. Okay, I'm going to change that over to, hi, my name is Cami, and so on. And here you can even add emoticons, right? For example, I can add a smiling emoticon and so forth. And I just have to go down and click save. And by the way, you have more flexibilities, like you can add a call to action, an image here, or a video, or even a button where you can send them over to an order form or just a sign up form and so on if you wish. I'm just going to click save. And let's go to the very next step. Here we have more flexibility, like for example, play once per visit, or blackout mode, or show mute button, or hide avatar after introduction, or start minimized. And also you have the attention grabber animation options and a few more flexibilities here. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm just going to go next. Here I'm going to choose a name. I'm going to name it e-commerce campaign, and you can also put an exit message if you will. And finally, we just go and click on the create campaign option here, and boom, you are done and ready to go. That's all it took. And if I pull up my countdown timer, I just am going into 0 seconds. So as you can see, even with explanations, it did not take me very long. Even if we assume it's going to take you triple the amount of time as it took me, that's going to still take you 3 to 4 minutes, which is not a long time to create a campaign like this one. Now, how do you actually get results with the ChatterPal app? How can you actually monetize it? How do you get a revenue out of it? And how can you really grow and scale your business with it? Whether it's your own business or as a consultant or an agency. There are many ways. One way to do it is to use Upwork.com, the biggest freelancer network out there. It's a publicly traded company. As you can see, just for chatbot development itself, there's so many freelancers out here making tens of thousands of dollars. And here, as you can see, $40 an hour for this one right here. It goes all the way up to, as you can see here, $70 an hour as well. Now, the beauty is with this, with ChatterPal, you're light years ahead of this competition since you have unlimited text-to-speech, automatic language translations, and on top of that, you can create multiple ChatterPal campaigns for the price of one. While these folks are actually just building one ChatterPal, you can build unlimited ChatterPals, maybe even 5, 10 of them, and just charge the same price as these folks are charging because it's faster for you to do. And as it is not just a simple chatbot development, but a lot more than that with ChatterPal. You're giving your clients an irresistible offer that they cannot find anywhere at any price. It's a true irresistible offer for them. Another way to do it is to start charging your clients a monthly recurring fee for creating ChatterPal campaigns for them. And since you can create unlimited ChatterPal campaigns, the possibilities are endless. For example, one of the top chatbot marketplaces, which does not have 3D avatars, text-to-speech, language translation, and so on, costs $600 a month just for their agency license, and it's limited to only 5 templates per month, as you can see here. So you are, again, offering great value to your clients that is cheaper, easier, and better than any other solution out there. The third way is for you to actually create any type of ChatterPal, whether it's an e-commerce ChatterPal, whether it's a local business ChatterPal or lead generation ChatterPal and so on, and you can actually list it for sale on this amazing new chatbot marketplace called Botlist. So in Botlist, if you see right here, there are many chatbots and chat automation that is simple, not as advanced as ChatterPal, getting hundreds and thousands of visitors who are interested in using these and buying them. Watch this, for example. You have 102,000 visitors for this one. You have 100,900 here, and this one is 100,700. You got 93,400 here, and then if you scroll down slightly, you're looking at tens of thousands of customers as well as visitors who will be checking your ChatterPal and your chat automations and chatbots that you're building and buy from you. This is the easiest way to get free traffic and tens of thousands of them by just putting out your creative ChatterPals out there in the marketplace under their web bots section. And finally, if you go to Google and type in something like Manhattan Dentist, as you can see here, it costs $6.58 for every click on average that these folks who are advertising on Google are actually paying to acquire one visitor. Meaning if they have to get 100 visitors, that's $658. If I can go to London Dentist, it's the same process. Again, it's $5.60 every single click. And if I even go to Toronto Dentist, as you can see here, I'm looking at $7.71 for every click. So imagine if you built 50 ChatterPal campaigns, all you need is one single sale or appointment or even a lead for these businesses, and they will happily pay you hundreds of dollars for it, as they're already spending $7 or more per every single visitor that lands on their website. And our whole team will help you every step of the way, so you are never stuck. So now that you've seen the true power of ChatterPal, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.